going on, everybody? It's Dave, also known as Chief 1901. So I did a thing to the Chief with the help of Vikingbags. These babies are the 38-liter Baldurs from Vikingbags. Hard, locking, weatherproof. I think they look great. Let's check them out. You may remember this video I did for the 18-liter Patriots from Vikingbags. I consider this a massive upgrade, and I used all of Vikingbags components, everything that they included with these bags. I was able to get them mounted up on this bike, even though that these do not actually go for the Chief. There's not many options for the Chief for a big bag like this. Let's check them out and see how I got it done. In the case of my bike, or maybe one similar, if you have external shocks, you're gonna need some kind of shock cutout. There's different types of bags on their website. Go check them out. If you need a shock cutout, if you need a tail light cutout, they got different types of options that might even look better on your bike or the style you're going for. With these bags, you mount them wherever you want them. So if you're like me and you ride two up a lot, you're gonna make sure that your passenger has plenty of clearance. You're gonna wanna make sure that there's clearance for the calf, no matter how they adjust their foot, underneath the leg. I love not only how they look, but the functionality is amazing. Having the peace of mind, having a locking bag whenever you go somewhere, being able to just throw the key in, unlock it, pop it right open. It comes with these bags. You can just load these bags up, fit perfectly in here, load them up, pull them out, lock it up, be on your way. The key and the latch operate smoothly. There's no grinding, anything like that. They're solid locks, tight, lined here. This weatherproofing will keep everything inside nice and dry. Clamp it down, boom. Just, they're nicely lined. We got the Vikingbags coming across here. Comes this little zipper pouch right here you can fill in. And you know what? If you don't want it, take it out. You know, things lined on the top. Said that weatherproof lining right there comes in clutch in the rain. Ask me how I know. An absolute massive upgrade from the 18-liter to these 38s. Just check out this clip of the transfer of the old contents from my old bags to these new ones. So let's get them opened up here. Let's throw in my gloves, my toolkit, my jumper, tire repair kit, a tire inflator, well, my hydration. There's still room for sweatshirts and more. Just be warned, everyone's gonna ask you if you have room for all of their stuff too. So if you want the custom look, you can go with Vikingbags. Even if they don't make them for your bike, just do some research, check out the clearances, the sizing. You can make it work. Go check them out. Till next time, ride safe, stay vigilant.